Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, we have a very good hiring for today, which is coming here from Wipro. Wipro is hiring for cloud email security, and this is basically for Cisco firewall professional. Friends, the experience required is 0 to 1. That means freshers can apply, and graduates in BCA, BSC, BE, Btech in computers are eligible to apply, and postgraduate, so any postgraduate will be able to apply. So friends, this kind of hiring where a specific requirement is there, companies will definitely hire for that. Now they are looking for system administrator or engineer. So basically friends, if you talk about system administrator, so if any of the employee gets any kind of problems, right, with respect to firewall security, then you will have to solve it, right? So industry type is IT services and consulting, and this is full-time permanent job, and role is IT network. Friends, so if when you apply and when you get selected, then definitely they will be asking you, a few questions based on the network, so that you can go through the YouTube and understand and learn. Because when they talk about freshers, right? See, freshers definitely will not have very much knowledge about like cyber security and things like that, right? Okay, so you can easily apply and you can prepare a bit about that. The job is posted 6 days ago, 15th of September 2023. And friends, I will tell you how to apply and the complete process I will explain you here, so you don't have to worry. Pass out year they have not mentioned. So if they have not mentioned pass out year, means any year, see, preferably 2021, 2022, 2023. So these graduates can apply, right? Because they have not mentioned. And if you have experience of 1 year, well and good. If you don't have any experience as a fresher also, you can apply over there. Okay, now so this application process I will tell you. Friends, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be getting all the hiring updates. Okay, now I have a very good news for you. So friends, according to Electronics and IT Minister of India, IT companies are planning to hire more this year. Friends, 54% of the companies are planning to hire in the next 3 months, right? So this is definitely, this optimism comes from the belief that there will be opportunity for growth in developing countries due to ongoing conflicts, as revealed in a recent survey. You can see Indian job market outlook strong for the 54% companies plan to hire. Now, friends, one thing which you can see, so there are a lot of hirings, companies are coming to hire, there are a lot of hirings are also happening, but still, if you'll see the data, so Indian strength in its youth, but 63% of the undergraduates are unemployed. Now, what may be the reason? This you also can think. So in the IT industry, there are many job openings, but they usually require specific skills. And unfortunately, this means that around 60% of the people do not have jobs. They lack these necessary skills, right? So friends, your degree, your CGPA, your branch, your background is not a barrier now. What matters nowadays is skills. If you have skills, then you will be definitely getting the job, right? Okay, but friends, getting the relevant skills and getting a job, that you understood, but how? Right? See, there are a lot of things which comes in picture, there are a lot of problems which comes in picture, and definitely you will have a lot of confusion, like everyone, that where to learn, how to learn, online or offline. If you're going for online, it has some limitations, right? So if you're going for online, then definitely you wanted someone to be in person to teach you. If you're going for offline, then definitely it limits class time, delays doubt resolution, and leaves gap if you miss the classes, right? So all these problems will come. Okay, fresher or a student, anyone, if you're looking to skill up and get more jobs, right, then you should must check and keep this as a checklist. See, the first thing is the real time projects, right? So if you're going to upskill yourself, then keep that in mind, that are you doing this real time projects or not, right? Because hands on is very very important. Your doubts, you should not leave with the doubts, so your doubts are getting clarified or not, right? Okay, are you getting placement assistance or not? Somebody is there to assist you in your placements or not, right? So all this can be considered when you are looking to upskill yourself, right? So friends, see, definitely these are the problem of a student, so it's a problem for us also, because we have to guide you. So when I was searching based on the above points, I found the site and I will take you through that. Okay, that is none other than NextWave. Okay, so friends, here I found, so even there are a student who has, right, so even there are a student who has less CGPA, okay, who has non IT backgrounds and percentage, but I was really surprised that they are getting hired by the top companies. And I was also surprised to know that top common companies like Google, Amazon, TCS, HCL, so all these companies and other startups are hiring these people, right? So friends, that's what I said, that is none other than NextWave. And you can check the link which is given in description. So 1500 plus companies, okay, so they are hiring NextWave learners, right? So highest package, college, and each and every details you can see, right? Okay, so I will just take you through so that you will be able to see the details, and you can also visit, the links will be given in description. Okay, now, so friends, people coming from different backgrounds and getting placed in the top companies, right? So why you should join NextWave, right? So that there might be many other platform, but friends, what I felt here, so if you'll see the trainers now, so the trainers are alumni of Google, IIT Bombay, Amazon, IIT Delhi, Microsoft. So this, the trainers are they have already worked in Microsoft, Amazon, and all top companies, right? And they have the real time project experience, and they can only tell you, okay, what to learn, what not to learn, what companies will ask you, because they have the proper idea. Okay, so friends, also they are providing a free live demo, right? So friends, for what are you waiting? So the link is in description. Click over here, book a free live demo, understand what exactly is this, how it will help you to get a job, what about this program, how it will be done. So each and every detail you will be getting it. So book an exclusive free demo to know more. And friends, a one-to-one guidance session will be there. And the most exciting news here is you can get up to 16,000 rupees scholarship, but that is limited only to the first 100 students. So for what are you waiting? The link will be in description, so do it right today. Okay, now, so this Wipro hiring, so you apply for it, and once your resume gets selected, okay, and you mention in your resume that you have the basic knowledge of the security, cyber security, or the network administrator basically. So just go through the YouTube for 1 or 2 days. Okay, see, all those things are not required because they are also looking for the experience. So that's the reason they have talked about the certification and all those things, right? Okay, so thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. I'll be coming up with more and more hiring opportunity for all of you. Take care, bye bye.